In this video, we're going to show you how to remove and replace a blower motor heater control switch, which is located in the heater module, which is in the center console on a Jeep Wrangler. You're going to need to remove this top defroster trim piece. I have a little trim tool. Just grab it and pop it along. You'll see where the clips are. You'll hear them pop. You just set it right there like that. On the top here, you're going to have two mounting screws. They're Phillips heads. They also are 8mm or 5/16 socket. Take them both out. I'm going to put them in the cup holder so I don't lose them. And now with that same trim tool, we're just going to pull the faceplate off the center console. So you can go right in here. Run your fingers along, pull, take it right out. Here's the heater control module, and there's 4 mounting screws, 2 on the passenger side and 2 on the driver's side. Phillips screwdriver or 5/16 or 8mm socket. Do the same to the other 2. Grab the unit and pull it forward. This is the blower motor switch, so we're going to just pull on this right there, squeeze these 2 tabs, and lift up. There's one on both sides. There we go. Squeeze the center, pull up on that tab right there, and pull it back out. Same with this one. Pull up on that tab. And now with the vacuum, there's a tab here and there. Just going to pull that tab this way. You do the same on that side. Now we have the control unit. We can go to the bench and change out the switch. So take the actual knob off of the switch. I got a little pocket screwdriver here. Just going to pry up on it. Try to work my way around. There we go. Set that aside. So we're going to need to take this plastic faceplate off too, so this way that little prong, the actual knob stem, won't twist and pull out from the backside. So we have to take this faceplate off. So you're going to take all the heater knobs off. Now you're going to have 3 tabs on one side and 3 tabs like that on the other side. Same screwdriver or trim tool. We're going to pop it out like this, work our way down, and then the last prong. So you want to pull that faceplate up because you're not going to be able to manipulate this out through that little hole because of the mounting mechanism on the backside. So 1/4 inch drive socket. Let's take that mounting screw out. Now you'll see what I mean by having play like that. If that centerpiece was in there, in that hole, you wouldn't be able to manipulate that. So you want to be able to do that so you can just pull it right out. Grab your new one. You've got those 2 little prongs right there. That's where that's going to slide in. Hold it just like that, guide. Line up your mounting screw hole. And take your 1/4 inch socket and tighten it up. Now you're going to take your faceplate, reline it up, and then just click it down. Perfect. Now we can reassemble our knobs. So I'm just going to replace the knobs as I took them off. You can line up the flat spot, it's like a D, into the flat spot, snap it right into place, all the way down the control module. Just like that. Now we can put it back in the car. So now we'll take our heater control unit, line up the vacuum tees So you have a tab there, one on the opposite side, and the flat spot. So we're gonna just guide it right in, just like that. Let it snap down. Take the connector over here. Work our way right back to that switch. Line up these center prongs with that guide pin on both sides. And replace your 4 screws. Do the same to the other side. So now we're going to put the center console back on, but we want to check and make sure that all of these clips stayed on. We have one there, there. Ah, that one's missing, and that's because it's still stuck in the vehicle. So to take this out, because you won't be able to pry that plastic back in, you'll end up breaking that ear off. So I'm going to get a pair of pliers and a small screwdriver. So with a pocket screwdriver and a pair of pliers, there's a little ear tab right here, so I'm going to push that tab in and then grab the tab here and pull, just like that. So that's the tab right there. You're pushing it on, pushing it in, pulling out in the tab. So now we can put this on the console so that we can reassemble it. Only can go one way because of that lovely little spacer right there. Push it down, just like that, right till it bottoms out. Now we're ready to install. So you only have 4 clips that are holding it in. So you're going to line it up. Let it just fall into place loosely, and then give it a good push. Now we're ready to install the top 2 screws. That's that Phillips screwdriver or a 5/16 8mm socket. So now on this little defrost vent thing, I'm going to make sure all my tabs are still attached across, and they are. Line them up, just like that. Push down. And you're good to go. When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.